What's up you guys, welcome back to another video of Junice, and remember, you are nice. Today I'm getting back into another acrylic pour painting. It's going to be aquatic, like this one I made right here. And before we get started, I just want to tell you guys, I'm still figuring out the consistencies of water and paint. I'll be using 4 colors and my voice is getting really weird because it hurts. I bruised my ribs, so please don't judge me if my voice goes okay, let's go.
Young foreign. Don't be mean, I was a chubby kid.
Look at Cutie Pie up there, I don't know if you can see him. So, my daily advice for you guys today is have fun with the things you do. Have fun with the trial and error. Have fun with the error especially, because a failure should not let you down. A failure is just another step in life, another learning curve. And I know it sounds really weird, but learning should be fun. Have fun in the trying, have fun in the learning, but also have fun in the failure. Because if you're going to let yourself down because you have failed, well, then you'll have a lot of down moments, and it is way better to have your head in a good place, have a happy mindset, have happy thoughts going on. And if you fail, well, just have a good laugh with it. Just have a good laugh with it and learn out of it. And that's my advice for you guys today. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.